Hey there everyone, welcome back to Blades and More for a review of this Tucson TS89 folding pocket knife. Tucson is a Chinese company that is sold primarily on eBay and Amazon, and you can buy them on other sites. And they make a nice quality knife that come in at a mid kind of a budget price, around $50, $60, $70 and more. They're nice heavy duty quality made knife, and this one, the TS89, is a good example. It's a little hard to figure out the numbers on these knives, the model. You just have to go and maybe get a picture review and find the model that you have, and then you'll know this TS89. It's a nice spear point type design blade, and it's a larger knife. Comes in at an overall length of 8.85 inches. It's just nice quality. It feels very nice. Opens nicely. It has ceramic ball bearing pivot. Has D2 blade material. Just a cool piece. It's built with nice quality. Feels great in my hand. It's a hefty knife. Comes in at 4.97 ounces weight, almost 5 ounce weight. The close length is 5.03 inches. And the blade thickness is 0.15 inches. And the blade length is 3.77 inches long. It's a spear point type blade design. Tapered swedge. Hollow grind with a plain edge. Very nice satin finish with the Tucson logo on the front side of the blade. It's a D2 blade material. Has a small sharpening choil with jimping on the thumb ramp of the blade, and a flipper tab, smaller flipper tab with heavy jimping on it. It works very well with the ceramic ball bearings. The handle is 5.03 inches long, so it's a nice, long, hefty handle. G10 handle material, almost a smooth texturing. Has these nice fullers on the handle, also has them on the blade. Cutaway. Stainless steel liner that has been skeletonized. Stainless steel liner lot. Works very well. Has a backspacer, a G10 backspacer with a lanyard like pillar in the butt of the handle. Has a titanium pocket clip that shows some real estate when carrying of the butt of the handle. It is a tip-up carry design with what appears to be a interchangeable pocket clip that could go either on the right, on the back side, or the front side for right or left hand carry. I haven't tried it though for the left hand. The blade centering is perfect in the handle. Very nice. Has nice sculpturing on the handle. Fits my large to extra large hand very nicely. It's just a nice quality knife. I paid around $60 for this on auction, which is if you look around, you can pick up many of their models between $50 and $70. And they make a wide variety of them. And this is a Wong design. It says on the back side of the blade. It's just a nice knife. It's nice quality. Feels very well built. So there we go, everybody. It is the Twosun TS89 folding pocket knife. If you're looking for a larger knife that's nice quality, this may fit your ticket. So there we go. Thank you very much for watching. All right, bye now.